So up top, like he has a second, it's normally in the top left. You hit that button, it might be a second or a shift, and then you hit your sign, and it has that sign -1 thing. I don't know, just hit it twice. You see how you have a sign and then hit another
Oh, so do what I did yesterday?
Oh, if we did that yesterday, that's not good.
I did that yesterday.
That's what we're going to use today. It's going to help us find angle measures. So anytime you have the -1 thing, and by that I mean like the exponent, it's your inverse function, that's going to be to find an angle. So yesterday we kind of did like the sine of an angle 37, and you get a number. Try doing the sine inverse of 37. Try doing that in your calculator. Nothing. It's an error. Okay? That's how you know if you punched in the right thing.
I got 42.
Then you must have done actual sine, not sine inverse. This is to find an angle. So if you can't put an angle in there or you'll get back an error. Okay, so always make sure you're using the right thing. Sine should be with an angle. Inverse sine we're going to put with sides. Okay? How are we doing on the memorizing SOHCAHTOA?
Not very good.
Not very good. Why? Because the 9 letters are super hard to remember?
It sounds like
They're kind of random.
I think there should be a song.
Well, we can make a song.
Let's make a song.
Extra credit, make a song. Alright. So you noticed yesterday we had angle measures. Where are x's? Obviously x is inside my triangle with a degree sign, so I'm looking for that angle. It's the same sort of process. Looking from x's point of view, is 7 my opposite, hypotenuse, or adjacent leg? Opposite. And how about 6? Adjacent. So I got OA, so what am I looking at? TOA.
Toa. Yeah.
TOA. So yesterday, remember we had tan, and then what always goes next to my sine, cosine, or tangent? The angle measure. In this case, that's my x. So tan of x equals 6 over 7 or 7 over 6?
7 over 6.
7 over 6. 7 over 6. Opposite over adjacent. 7 over 6. Okay, well my x isn't by itself, right? True thing, you cannot divide by tangent, that's not a thing. That's where this inverse comes in. So to find x, we're going to take the inverse tangent of 7 divided by 6. So in your calculators, hit your inverse tan, and then take 7 divided by 6.
80.53.
I got 49.
49.4.
What did you
What's
get?
the
49.4?
Yeah.
Okay, 49.4.
Yeah.
Okay, who did not get 49.4 degrees?
A couple people. I don't know.
That could be sine, not tangent.
Mardo.
Okay.
Should have called.
So,
It literally
inverse,
says
oh,
it
you
on
gotta
the
put your
top.
thing in first. So you gotta go 7 divided by 6, and then inverse tan.
Oh.
49.4.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna have to use parentheses. So you have to go second, inverse tan, parentheses. On the ones that we have in this room, you have to use parentheses around your inverse stuff. Anybody else not good at? Try using parentheses. So you hit inverse tan, parentheses, 7 divided by 6. Okay, so I didn't say a word to you. Tannin wants to begin that way. Yeah, you just gotta hit that button twice. Really
I
tight.
just
Alright, here looking from X's point of view, how does 10 relate? Opposite, how does 13 relate? Hypotenuse. I got OH. What am I looking at?
Sin.
Sine.
It looks like
I
sin.
know. So I got the sine of what?
10 over 13. Right? Yeah.
X.
Oh,
How do I know it's X?
Because it's the
My angle. My angle always goes next to my sine, cosine, tangent. And then 10 over 13 or 13 over 10?
10 over 13.
10 over 13. Good. To get X by itself, and since we're looking for an angle measure, I gotta use the -1 sine thing. So inverse sine of 10 divided by 13. Calculators.
This equals 50.3.
50.3, that's what I got. Check it, make sure you know how to get that, kiddos. Anybody not get 50.3? Okay. Here, X's point of view, what is 6.5? Let's face it. What's 10? Hypotenuse. Sine, cosine, or tangent?
cosine.
Cosine, cosine of X equals 6.5 over 10. How am I getting X by itself?
Use the thing
Do the thing, what thing?
with the negatives.
The negatives, one thing, yeah. Inverse cosine of 6.5 over 10. And math brains tell me we get what?
49.5.
Yes. Boy, no. Alright, how do you feel about that stuff? Okay, so when you look for a side, you're going to use regular sine, cosine, tangent. When you look for an angle, you're going to use your -1 inverse. Okay? Alright.
You sound like a chicken.
Word problem. No, I didn't. Draw a picture. We got a 12-foot ladder propped up against a vertical wall. Ladder. What is 12 feet? My left side, bottom side, or right side? Or you do differently. That's fine.
The hypotenuse.
The hypotenuse, yeah, I'm a ladder. Sweet. What is 11? My bottom, my right one.
Last one.
Right. I mean,
Right
you
one.
drew it weird.
Right. Oh, I drew it weird. Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever.
So I said last one.
And I need to know the measure of the angle formed by the ladder with the ground. Well, here's my ground. I don't know where your ground is. There's my ground.
Ground's not at the top.
Here's our money going. So looking from X's point of view, how does 11 relate? Opposite. How does 12 relate?
It's a
Hypotenuse. What we got? SOHCAHTOA.
Sine.
Sign up.
X.
Is that HYP?
Yep.
I thought those
Been using
HYY was whole
hype for that for, I don't know, 2 weeks now?
I don't know. We've been doing this for 2 weeks.
I don't know.
Dramatic.
Sign X. 12 over 11 or 11 over 12?
11 over 12.
11 over 12. To solve for X, what do I gotta do?
Do the thing with the negatives.
Thing with the negative. Inverse sine, 11 over 12, math.
66.4.
66.4.
How was that?
Sound effects.
How much, bro? Yeah. How much coffee do you have?
Not enough. Exactly. Alright, words. She wants the angle of the ramp makes with the ground to measure 4 degrees. So, considering we're in this section, I'm probably looking for an angle, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, ground to be here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh yeah. Call in. How does 8 relate to my angle? It is like opposite.
33% change.
Good math. How does 100 relate? Adjacent, what am I looking at? Katoa.
On.
Tan.
Okay, why is it tan and then sin is sun?
Hey,
Literally is the word
Because
tan.
math people don't know how to spell or speak English.
Okay.
It's because they were all Latin, but you know, whatever.
Tan of x equals 8 over 100 or 100 over 8?
8 over 100.
8 over 100. Looking for an angle, so I'm going to use my -1 inverse. What's my angle?
4.6.
4.6. She wanted that ramp to measure 4 degrees. Did she succeed?
No.
No.
Good.
No, it's a little too high. If she wanted to fix it, what she could change, she could make this more than 100 or this less than 8. That'll decrease her angle. Ramps. Math. Yes. How we feel about today's stuff?
Is
this it? Good. Literally.